How to create an invisible folder on desktop in Windows 11. Have you ever wanted to hide files or create an invisible folder right on your Windows 11 desktop? Well, you're in luck because we're going to show you how to do just that. So, let's get started. Select your folder or make a new folder. Rename your folder and press Alt 255 on keyboard. Then press enter. See, the name is already transparent. Now right click on the folder and choose Properties. Now click on Customize tab. And then under Folder Icon section, click on Change Icon. Now look for an icon that appears as transparent. If you see error, then try other transparent ones. After selecting the icon, click on Apply. Then click OK. You have now created an invisible folder on desktop Windows 11. This is a great way to keep your files private and hidden from view. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our 5-minute solution channel for more videos.